Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is my Flosstube cross-stitch Stitchy update for November 18th, 2018, which is a Sunday. So I hope this finds everybody doing well today. I'm doing really good. Life is letting me do my craftiness, which I love to do. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for continuing to come back and watch my videos. Thank you so much for your support. I do appreciate it. If you are someone that's new and has just found my channel or has just found my video, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will find something that inspires you, something that you enjoy, and that you will subscribe. And when you subscribe, please hit the bell, which is next to the subscribe button, so that you will be notified of any future videos that I make. So anyway, thank you to everyone for watching. Today I have just some whips to show you, and I have a finish, which if you follow me on Instagram, you know what that is. So I will show you that at the end of the whips. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. My first whip is from Forever Yours, and it is Joy and Peace. And this is a Christmas themed project. It comes with the mat or frame, and it comes with the raffia for the bow, so it is supposed to look like that when it's done. And this is where I am at right now. I am just right in the middle of the project. I'm making the little house, and it's basically the scene that I am making. So here is where I'm at. Right in there, and then here is what I have done. This is worked on 18 count white Aida. So this is my Sunday piece. This is what I work on Sundays only. Really enjoying it. Fun little piece. The next one is the Saturday Evening Post. This is the Stony Creek collection, and it's Halloween tricks. I have decided that I'm just working the pumpkin from the pumpkin down, and then I will come over, go back up, do the head, do the back, and come over and do the boy and finish up. So I've done these part of the pants. I'm now on the rust color socks down at the bottom. This is a really fun piece. I really have enjoyed working on this. I'm glad I brought it into my rotation because I was not getting anything accomplished with it, keeping it just as a Sunday piece. So here it is, and as you can see down here, I've got the pants done, and I've started on the socks. And then what I'll do is I'll come across and go up, finish the face, do the back on this side, come back down, around, and start the other little boy. So that's what I'm planning to do. There's a lot of color change in this project, and so that seems to, you know, be a slow up. I mean, you can tell by his pants. A lot of color change. And the pumpkin has a lot of color change. And then, like the sleeves, there's just a lot of color change in here. And as any of you know that do the big projects that have color change, that, you know, that can really slow you up. So anyway, this is worked on 14 count white Ada. So really, really enjoying that one. Okay, so my Wednesday, Thursday piece is, it's the Wizard's Ornament, and it's from Jan Lynn, and it's Snowman with Cat. I had to make me a cat ornament. I love these. These are quick, they're fun to work on. And here it is. I'm doing back stitching now. And so this will be a finish on my next video. But I'm back stitching it, and then it comes with this silver wire. And what you do with this is you put it like around a pencil or just something round, and you put it around it, and then it's, you know, makes it spiral, and then you connect it to the ornament. And of course, as always, I will back my ornament with felt. But I really liked how they made the bottom of the snowman. It almost looks like a fishbowl, like the cat is looking in at the fish that are around. I thought that was very, very neat idea. So, very cute project, and I'm glad I worked on it. And I've got to try to find me some more of these because I love working on these wizard kits. And this is worked on 14 count plastic canvas. So really, really fun to work on. So that is my Wednesday, Thursday piece. And now, for my finish from Dimensions, Who's Watching Whom? It is finished. It took me 1 year and 9 months to finish this, but it is finished. And I hope to get it framed in the not too distant future here. So I want to show you. Here it is. Who's Watching Whom is finished. I love how the back stitching, it just made everything just pop out. Like the bench and the cats. So there it is. This was worked on 16 count gray Ada, which came in the kit, and really, really enjoyed working on it. I did run out of floss, but I got a hold, they sent me some floss, the company, and then they also sent me a conversion chart, so I was able to go down to Michael's, and I was able to pick up the rest of the floss through DMC. So that worked out. It's finished. It is going to be heading to the next person that wanted to work on it. That is Lori. I will hopefully be getting that off to you after Thanksgiving time. So I will let you know when I have sent everything that I'm going to be sending you. Okay. The next one that I decided to work on, a Mirabilia Raven Queen. I got through the cats, and as any of you that have been watching me for over the last year, I said that I wanted to start with the cats, a big piece, and when I accomplished the cats, I would do the Mirabilia. So, this is where I'm at. Just started. Still have her in the hoop. And this is, let me see, I've still got the tag. This is pewter. It's 16 count pewter Ada. And as you can tell, I'm starting with the dress. So that is where I'm at. This is my new start. I am excited to work on it and see it come to life. I think it's a beautiful pattern. So that is what I've been working on and what I have finished. And I have really enjoyed working on everything. And like I said, I hope to have that framed very, very soon. So, okay, I have one more thing. Okay, I am going to hold off on doing the pattern giveaways until after Thanksgiving. Just because it's a holiday, you know, coming up, and people might be out of town and not watching videos as much and all that. So we will come back on my next video, and then I will do the giveaways. But there are 3 people that I still need to get a hold of. And if you did send me an email, I didn't get it. I don't know why, but please resend your mailing information to me so that I can get these out to you. So they are for January 16th, which is this one. It was Melissa Pontiff. So Melissa, congratulations. I do need your address, so if you can send it to me to the email, which is in the description, I will get this out to you. And also for January 17th, Colorado Crochets. You are the winner of this. Please send me your mailing address to my email, which is in the description, and I will get this out to you. And January 19th was D. Thompson. D, I never received your mailing address. I know you said you were going to email me, but I did not get it. So if you could resend it to my email, which is in the description down below, I will get this out to you. Okay, so like I said, my next video, I will start the giveaways up again. So I think that is about it for this time. I did get a Stitchy Kindness package, but I will show that in my next video. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, for subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. I do appreciate it. I appreciate that you take the time to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving, and that however you're spending it, I hope that the day brings you much joy and happiness. And I will see you guys on my next video.